This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Priscilla Scalisi. Beautifully maintained townhouse with great finishes and upgrades throughout, stainless steel and granite. Wonderful floor plan with large master bedroom and 2 nice size bedrooms. Situated just a few steps from the Clubhouse and Fitness Center. Located in the desirable Windsor Park community of Abacoa. This home is conveniently located close to everything and won't last long. Hurricane impact windows, wood blinds, pet fee is $300. First, last and security plus $79 broker fee and $150 cleaning fee. POA approval is required. Proof of income, background check and credit 700+. Call agent to schedule a time. For more information, review